Hi everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to make a child to sleep by themselves. I know when we ask the kid to sleep by themselves, to go to the bed, they throw the tantrums, and it's very difficult for every parent. I can understand. But let me show you what I have done for my both the kids. I have two kids. One is girl, the other one is boy. Basically, here I have set the space for both of them. For example, it's a bunk bed which I've created as it's a bunk bed where on top my daughter sleeps and on down my son sleeps. If you could see, my daughter, no, that's my daughter. See, if you could see, she likes unicorns and butterflies. So I have no, I have got the stickers and I have placed them, and those are radium stickers. It's easily removable and it doesn't spoil the wall. And with her favorite dolls, I have kept it here, and I have made her to get into a habit that she can she should read before she sleeps. So I have gotten a separate bed lamp for her, which is right next to her. I'll make a separate video about this. The reason why I've got the separate light and that too, which is next to her, is to give her the comfort and a place where she can hang. I mean, she can place her book. She can keep it on the bed, but it will not be comfortable for her. So I wanted it to be separate, and this is where my son sleeps. It is not no it is really still I'm finding it difficult to make him to sleep all by himself, because many times he comes and he asks that he wanted to sleep along with me. He loves to sleep with me. Okay, he loves basically cars, and no he likes space, and he likes Spider-Man. So I have got his favorite no soft toy. And then here, this is a flashlight which I have got it for him, because I don't want him to get a lamp, but he is afraid of dark at times, and sometimes he wants to get down. So this he can just easily switch on and switch off. So that's why I got this for him. And this is how I see. Basically here I'm trying to I have told them that this is their own, no, this is their own space, no, where no, they feel comfortable psychologically. That's how they feel no, comfortable to sleep by themselves. Because we are telling them that it is your place. So now they'll be comfortable with this. Not just for sleep. My daughter and my son, they like to do their some of their works here, because they know that this is their space, this is their spot, and it has become a favorite spot too for them. I hope this helped you guys. Like this video, please subscribe to this channel.